We are back. Me and who? I have no idea. Don't even ask me. So guys, what was happening is Hendrick's had a World Cucumber Day and it was launched on the 5th. Well, we went and it was happening from the 7th to the 14th of this month. So what was happening? Basically, what was going on is you go with a cucumber, a healthy cucumber, not the one that you put in the fridge for 3 months, not the one that's beaten, not a half cucumber, a full cucumber, guys. So you go and give to the bartender, and in exchange he gives you a cocktail. And in all the outlets, there are 9 of them, I'm going to mention all the 9 outlets. What you do is go with a healthy cucumber, he gives you a cocktail, and in exchange, instead of giving money, you're giving the cucumber, as a payment. So this was happening, and you can only get 1 cocktail a day from each of these outlets. I'm going to mention the outlets for you. We have Villa Rosa Kempinski, we have the Lord Errol, we have Tapas Kenya, we have Kipasa Kenya, and Kole Grill, the Collective, which is in the CBD, Hemingway's Collection, Muthaga Country Club, and Karen Country Club. 9 guys, 9. Sorry, that was not 9. So 9 of the outlets that you go to, and they're going to give you a cocktail in exchange for a cucumber. How amazing is that? I know I told some of my friends they would not believe it. Y'all better believe. And Hendrick'S, thank you again for the bottle. My dad loved it, he enjoyed, and he was not aware of Hendrick'S gin, so you guys got a client for sure. So guys, please follow the vlog, and you know what I say? Tell a friend to watch this video. Smash subscribe if you haven't, and enjoy the vlog. Bye. Good morning, beautiful people. Oh my god, sort of drizzling out here. So today we are going, it's World Cucumber Day. And guess who was invited for the event? We were invited for the event. So I'm gonna show you around and explain more about the event after I'm done with the event. I'll tell you how it was, what it was about. But and today's someone's birthday. We gotta surprise him. I hope he likes the surprise. He doesn't like surprises, so I hope he likes it. So we're gonna vlog. I'm gonna take you around the event, show you how it is, what they're doing there. Hey, your girl looks nice today. She be looking nice. Hey, I will show you outfit of the day in a few. So don't mind this thing's making noise. Anyway, I'll show you the event in a few. But first we're gonna pass and buy him a gift. Or gifts, we'll see what to get. And then head to the event, see how it's gonna go. Oh, I'm so excited about this World Cucumber Day. Y'all are not ready. Y'all are not ready. Anyway, thank you so much. I'll see you. Bam. So guys, I am late. I got him a gift, and he's a lover of wine. So, I forgot today Carrefour was like, Carrefour, thank you for this one. Wow, Carrefour was so packed. I barely could have a chance to stay for long because I was running late. And then, hey, I love this guy. It's so amazing. Anyway, I need to rush because I'm getting late. And he's calling me. He's like, yo, you need to leave the house. I'm like, yeah, I've already left the house. I don't want to tell him like I was shopping for anything for him. So I need to go, guys. I will talk to you when I'm showing you the event, or once I get there. His reaction, probably he won't want me to film that, but yes, thank you so much. Oh, Carrefour, you guys came through for me though. It was so full because today is that day that people are celebrating Eid, so anyway, so I hope you guys will enjoy Carrefour. That was so amazing. I hope he likes it. Let me go before before he starts calling again, guys. I will film later. Let me just rush to where he is. Thank you. Bye. That's what I thought. I thought it was chalk. That was awesome.
It's permanent chalk.
Permanent chalk. Yeah, that would make sense. Oh, where's the food?
Maybe you need something to...
Back to my YouTube
I
channel.
haven't even started drinking.
I know, filters for life. We're ready.
Do not move your feet. What is all this goodness?
I know.
Oh my God.
And for the dudes looks like that. Oh, for the guys look so good. Just one flower.
Roland, that is.
Say hello,
that is
Roland.
You just put it in the pocket.
Did you get to put it? Why don't you have one?
Let us see how it...
No, you should have on your head. Can we get you one?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, this looks so funny. If anyone passes it, like, what are they doing?
Alright guys, can we get everyone inside?
Yes.
All right. Let's get it. We're ready now. Oh, we're in the bus. I love fun. So fun. I know, like what's filters? Yeah. Hold on, no. So guys, this is our first location. It's called the Lord Errol. So cute, like what he's holding.
The...
Yeah, like you should take that.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about...
Oh, I should get a photo here. That would be like the cover. Celebrate World Cucumber.
Because
No, just you're
in the
done.
letter.
Okay,
No,
now
I
you
don't
can,
know.
you can just stop it. And
Here I work for a company called William Grant and Sons. I'm here with my colleague Olivia, and we're basically here to do an induction for the Hendrick'S World Cucumber Day. You're basically the first people that we're talking to about this marvelous and unusual event. So we wanted to tell you the secrets and the idea behind this, because it doesn't make sense to most people when we try and explain it. So basically Hendrick's is a gin. It's produced in Scotland. It's only been in existence since 2000. I know the bottle makes it look a lot older because it's designed in an apothecary style medicine bottle. So basically one of the unique things about Hendrick's is we have 11 unique and special marvelous botanicals, but 2 of them are very, very special. And those are basically English cucumber and Bulgarian red rose. And that means that those particular ingredients, those botanicals, can only come from those places. So at Hendrick's, we decided that we wanted to drive awareness about our unusual botanicals, and especially the botanical of cucumber. So we created a fake global public holiday called Hendrick's World Cucumber Day. Wow. World Cucumber Day takes place on the 14th of June, and on that day we celebrate everything about cucumbers: the way they look, the shapes they come in, the way they feel, the way they taste. But the whole idea is, it's about the fact that it's a unique and special botanical. So we're here with you today, and it's not the 14th of June, that's next Friday, but from the 7th till the 14th of June, we'll be carrying out an exercise called the Cucumber Exchange. This is basically when, once a year, we monetize the cucumber. Can I have a cucumber, please? So this becomes equivalent to currency or money. So your cucumber will treat you to a complimentary Hendrick's and Tonic at some very special pre-selected outlets in Nairobi, of which one of them is Lord Errol. So we're doing something called a cucumber crawl today. This is where we walk, not crawl, to all the participating outlets and we perform the exercise of cucumber exchange. So it becomes bartender, technically. Yeah? So today we're starting this with Lodero. Lodero has been our partner previously last year as well. We've hosted events with them. So it's great to start with them and basically kick off the occasion.
You know how to do it? I believe you. It's not my life, but I'm trying.
Maybe they don't exist
Oh, that looks so good. Should have put the flash on.
Who knows?
Ah, yes. They look amazing.
So
So guys, our next stop, Kempinski. Where are we going to? The right.
balcony.
Where's the balcony?